Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your countdown book and open page number 11. Okay, do you remember big and small? In each pair, color the smaller one blue and the bigger one red. You have to color the smaller one blue and the bigger one red. Okay. Okay, look, this is big and this is small. You have to color blue on small object and red on big object. Okay, this is your homework. Now turn your page number 12. Write bigger and smaller. One has been done for you. See, this is small and this is big. Now part B. This is big and this is small. Right here, bigger B, I, double G, E, R. And right here, smaller S, M, A, double L, E, R. बाकी आपका होमवर्क है. Now come to the page number 13. Do you remember long and short? In each pair, color the shorter one blue and the longer one red. You have to color the shorter one blue and the longer one red. Okay. Write longer and shorter. One has been done for you. And then write longer and shorter. Okay. Now see part B. This is big and this is small. First of all, color the shorter one blue and the bigger one red. Then write the big B. Color the longer one red. And now write L-O-N-G-E-R, longer, and S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. Now all these questions are your homework. Now open page number 14. Each box, draw shorter or longer object, then write the correct word below it. One has been done for you. Okay, now look at the part B. If shorter is already drawn, then you have to draw the bigger one. And now you have to draw longer one, and like this. And write here longer, L-O-N-G-E-R, longer, and color it. Now all these questions are your homework. Page number 15. Do you remember tall and short? Tall and short. Look at this picture. This building is taller and the house is shorter. Look at the giraffe. This giraffe is taller and this one is shorter. Write here T-A-L-L-E-R, taller, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter. And then color it. And the other question is your homework. Okay, do your homework neatly and take care.